Editing recipients in Mailchimp is crucial for managing your email campaigns effectively. Here's how to do it. Log into Mailchimp. Go to Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Navigate to Audience. Click on the Audience tab from the main dashboard to view your audience list. Select the audience. Choose the audience or list you want to edit recipients for. If you have multiple audiences, select the one you're working with. View and edit contacts. Click on all contacts to see the list of recipients. Use the search bar or filters to find specific contacts you want to edit. Edit individual contacts. Click on the contact's name to open their profile. Click Edit to modify their details, such as email address, first name, last name, or subscription status. Save changes by clicking Save or Update. Bulk edit contacts. For bulk edits, select multiple contacts by checking the boxes next to their names. Use the Actions drop-down menu to perform bulk actions like updating contact information or changing subscription status. Manage tags and segments. To organize recipients further, click Manage Contacts and choose Tags or Segments to add or remove tags and adjust segment memberships.